All right, we just got to the cabin. We're getting the trailer. We're gonna go pick up the car lift, the 4-post car lift, and that's what we're gonna be putting in this weekend in the new garage. So that is what this video is about. Easy. Let's go get a car lift, baby. All right, guys. So we got the lift. We got it loaded up. It was a little longer than we expected it to be, but Clayton's just getting the trailer hooked up. Improvise a little here. So this is the lift. She sticks out all the way from up there, 20 feet. So now we just got kind of a sketch drive home, and then we'll be good to go. So we'll update you when we start getting the lift set up. How's that look? Close enough. Alright, we're gonna try and pull this lift out. I don't know if she'll come or not. Alright, so I'm pulling out the NRG hub from
Flip that mirror out. Restart.
Alright, I'm pulling out the NRG hub on this Vert because I'm gonna put it in my other Vert or the hatch, one of the two, I'm not sure yet. But this car we're putting back to all OEM parts. We took the hood off and we put the OEM hood back on. So put the OEM wheels back on, OEM suspension, everything back to OEM, and we're gonna try and just sell this, flip this, and get some cash so we can buy an SR for one of the Verts, or my other good Vert. So that's the plan. So I listed it on Craigslist already. So we'll see if we get some hits on it.
Yeah, hopefully.
But we're gonna be putting in the lift tomorrow, and we looked at it tonight. There's a lot of parts, and it's kind of confusing, but I think we'll probably be able to get it put together tomorrow with a little bit of guidance and a little bit of instruction, maybe.
Yeah.
So, all right, the boys just shoveled outside, and we're pulling this out. I think you're good to go. So now we just got to open the garage, and this baby is coming out, and we're moving the SR in so we can start working on that and maybe put it in his car.
Hopefully.
All right, baby.
Take her for a rip.
We're going for a drive. Turbo boys, baby.
Turbo boys on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Turbo boys. All right. Let's
go.
Let's send it. This thing doesn't die. I've only shotgunned one beer tonight, dude.
The boys, you just said that Ante busted.
Oh, really? Listen to those squeaks, bro. Those are high quality squeaks.
Those are racist.
Oh, wait till we get out of here.
Oh, that spring sounds like it's binding.
No. The spring's good, I swear.
Is the strut in tight though?
No.
Dude, that doesn't sound healthy.
Is the brakes?
You guys hear that? Oh, should we put the windows up so it's a little warmer?
Nah, fuck.
Send it.
It's kind of toasty back here, honestly.
You're all right back there.
Yeah, it's really not bad.
Power windows. This thing is fucking sick.
Dude, the frame honestly might break on us.
No, it's not.
Dude, you haven't seen it.
I'm more scared that we roll, truthfully.
No, these babies got 50-50 weight distribution.
Yeah, there's plenty of ditches.
Snow. Just a little though. I wonder how it is up here.
Dude, honestly, the lighting is pretty decent.
Yeah, that is good lighting. That's squealing. Wheel bearing. We need to upset our ring in this bitch.
Pretty good.
My hand's freezing.
Oh, is it cold from holding that?
Oh,
shit.
Counter it. For it. Oh no. Oh, you don't have as much room as I thought.
It's like an auto, too?
Hell yeah, it is.
Nope. You guys hear that?
Yeah, that doesn't sound good.
Sounds like the dust, like the little dust pad thing.
Should we go down here and look? Is there snow deep? No, we plowed. Dude, if we get stuck, we're fucked.
We gotta walk back.
This is a bad idea.
That's what I was thinking. I was like, maybe we should follow or something.
Probably.
Something's really loose.
Should I go hard in this?
No. Oh, right here, yeah.
One wheel peel. Hey, welcome to the crib, bitches. All right, so we kind of got ourselves in a situation here because the Vert is not good in the snow at all.
Seatbelt, I guess.
So we got to go up a hill over here and get out of here. So Clayton and I are gonna follow behind and see if we can make it up the hill. This snow is actually gonna be really slippery to get. Sending. Uh-oh. We gotta push. Oh, jeez.
Running.
Are we in first?
Oh, no. Oh, I'm doing this drenched with this. Alright. You guys probably can barely see this. He's fully sending. Oh, Drift City. Oh. So we were driving. We had a little bit of weird noises going on. We're not sure what it is. Boys are diagnosing the problem. Ooh, the Vert looks dirty right now. What? What? What it?
The hood's not even screwed in.
Oh, that's all right. Yeah, we're good. That's mint.
Corvette.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Oh, sick.
Oh, he's going that way. Oh shit. Oh shit. We should probably stop beating on her. It doesn't sound too good.
Let's get the fuck out of here.
All right, guys. So I just wanted to give you a little bit of an update. We took the head off actually, and we pretty much discovered what our problem is. So the guy who did it is an idiot, first of all, but that is very, very bad news.
What's the plans for it, though?
What's the plans? Well, we're just thinking the best idea possible here is to use this now, since it's junk, to make a table. So we think that will be sick. But other than that, this car that I bought hoping the SR was good in is not, and I am gonna start parting it out. So I guess if you need any parts, hit me up.